Okay, so right here I have some garlic and part of a shallot. It's 1 clove of shallot. I think that's the perfect size. I'm going to go ahead and just chop these both up and add them to my marinade. I also added salt and pepper to the marinade. And I added a little red chili flake. So it's got a little bit of sweet and a little bit of spice and a little bit of tang. Go ahead and just adding this garlic into my marinade. I just used 1 clove. I don't want it to be like overpowering garlic, but I think garlic also not only does it have great flavor, but it also has a little bit of spice to it. I don't know if that's weird or not, but I always get a little bit of spice when I eat garlic, I think. So I'm just chopping this shallot. Go ahead and add this. To me, shallot is just, well, not to me, but shallot is just a sweeter, lighter onion. So I'm gonna whisk this together. Add Italian seasoning, like a tablespoon. I'm also going to add some olive oil to this. Right, probably tablespoon. I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar, red wine, like literally like a splash. And whisk this. I'm going to add, one second, I'll be right back. I think I hear the baby. I'm just going to check the baby. She's just fussing in her sleep. I'm going to add just a tad bit more garlic to this. Clean off the cutting board. I should have got some ginger. Ginger would be good in this. If you have ginger, if you really like ginger, I would go ahead and add some ginger to this. Just chopping up some garlic. Adding that in. Whisk it around. Like, if I was making this for like a bunch of other people, I would keep rinsing off my spoon, but I'm just making it for Rob and I. Like, we don't really care. If I have cooties, he has cooties. We have a baby. I think it's really good. I think it's really good. So I'm just going to go ahead and add chicken, raw chicken to this. Spoon it around. I might need a bigger bowl for this actually. Or have to marinate this in batches. I don't know if all of this chicken's gonna fit in here. I'm gonna go ahead and switch bowls. I love making more work for myself. It's my fault. I told myself I needed to get a bigger bowl, but I'll have it be fine. Bigger. I'm just cutting the bone out of the chicken. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna wash my hands. So I'm gonna cover this. This is what it looks like. The marinade all on it. I'm going to cover this and put it in the fridge like this for 2 hours, and then I'm going to flip the chicken so that every side is even coated in the marinade for even flavor. Go ahead and cover this. And so then you're going to bake it. We really like a crispy skinned chicken, so I'm going to, once this is ready after like 3 hours and I'm ready to cook it, I'm going to stick it on a baking sheet with some tin foil down on top of the baking sheet, and then I'm going to put it under the broiler on skin side down. I'm going to cook it like that for about 45 minutes. 30 to 45 minutes. You want it as close to the broiler as you can get it. And then I'm going to, it's covered, I'm going to put it in the fridge. And then I'm going to what was I saying? Then I'm going to flip it and cook it skin side up under the broiler for another 45 minutes. And that way it'll be perfectly cooked and it will be crispy skin and it'll have the flavor of the marinade and it'll be really yummy. Hopefully. Rob likes it. I'm gonna like it because I like stuff like this, but it'll be really yummy. So try this recipe. Tell me if it works for you. Tell me if you like this recipe, if you want to do more recipes. And if you have any questions or want more videos like this, let me know. Comment, subscribe, like, thumbs up. Okay, bye guys. Thank you.